Okay, so today we're going to actually try to find just numerical values of compositions of functions. So instead of finding a composition of functions where we actually take one function and plug it into another, let's just actually try find the numeric values if we just want a specific number plugged in. So we're not going to actually find the actual composition of functions, we just want the specific values. So here are three different functions and let's practice. Okay, if I want f of g of 2, first I better figure out, well, what's g of 2? Well, anything I plug into g, looks like I need to square it, and after I square it, I need to add 13. Ta-da! G of 2 is 17. I can now take that value and plug it into function f. Anything I plug into function f needs to be doubled and then subtracted by 4. So 17 times 2, subtract 4, comes up with 30. So f of g of 2 has a value of 30. Let's try h of g of 6. Okay, we better start with g of 6. Anytime I plug a number into g, I need to square it and then add 13. So let's square it, add 13. We've got 49. Now I will take that 49 and plug it in to function h. Function h says, hey, anything you plug into me, take the square root, actually take the square root, add 5. So h of g of 6 has a value of 12. H of f of 10. Well, what's f of 10? 2 times 10, subtract 4. 20 subtract 4, 16. Take that 16, plug it into h. Square root of 16 plus 5. So h of f of 10 has to be 9. One last example here, g of f of 7. Well, better start by finding f of 7. For function f, we have to multiply by 2, then subtract 4. That results in 10. Take that 10, plug it into function g. I'll have to do 10 squared and then add 13. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 plus 13 is 113. So g of f of 7 is 113. Again, I recommend you start on the worksheet first. That way you can get feedback from me during class time, or you can get help from me if need be. And then start working on the IXL. If you finish in class, fantastic. If you do not finish in class, it becomes homework. Score of 80 or higher for full credit.